This is carbon fiber composite material, prized for its exceptional strength and lightweight properties. Using a high-precision digital thickness gauge, technicians verify the exact dimensions of the foam insulation panels. Using specialized templates, the craftsman carefully builds up the layers of the composite shell, ensuring perfect alignment at every step. Inside the molding station, EPS beads are injected with superheated steam. This causes the beads to expand and fuse, forming the shape of the mold cavity. Under intense heat and pressure, the small polystyrene beads begin to expand rapidly, fusing together to form a solid block of insulation. As the mold opens, the sudden drop in pressure releases a massive plume of steam, revealing the freshly formed EPS liner. Utilizing a multi-layer paint and graphics application process, these helmets move steadily through the automated spray booth.
Utilizing electrostatic technology, the gray primer mist envelops the rotating shell, ensuring a flawless and uniform application. With industrial precision, the base coat is applied as the helmet rotates, beginning the color transformation toward a saturated blue.
As the clear coat settles, the dramatic lighting reveals the transformation. The colors become richer, deeper, lighter. This injection molding machine is producing high-quality polycarbonate visors. The process begins as the clamps engage and the material is injected.
The molten polycarbonate, glowing orange from the intense heat, fills the mold cavity in milliseconds, rapidly cooling into a solid visor shape.
Here, the specialized anti-fog coating is precisely applied to the interior surface, ensuring clarity even in extreme conditions.
Next, the interior padding and comfort liner assembly begins. where precision stitching ensures durability and a perfect fit.
We apply increasing tension to the strap assembly. The digital gauges record the force, ensuring the strap can withstand critical loads without failure.
Automation on this scale allows the factory to process unprecedented volumes, with the robotic arm ensuring every box is perfectly placed for dispatch. Usable. The automated stretch wrapper secures the load with layers of clear plastic film,
This flawless finish is achieved through a meticulous multi-stage painting process, ensuring a mirror-like shine and unparalleled graphic detail.
mirror-like clear coat over laser-sharp graphics. The visor mechanism engineered for precision, and the chin strap buckle locks with a reassuring click, securing the plush interior.
And here we see the finished product, the culmination of design and manufacturing excellence.